Um, Dansefoɔ means your witness. Dansefoɔ, your witness. It touches on the misconception about black people, about Africa, where there's a general notion of how Africa is. So about Africa, you see people sitting on trees, people still dressed in leaves. Africa is known for poverty. Africa is known for hunger, famine. Africa is known for diseases, outbreak, slum. This is the general perception that people have about Africa. But the reality is that is not the situation. When you come down to Africa, that is not the situation. So it touches on it. All the things that has happened to us. Engaging with the foreign land, Europeans, Americans, and other people that we had interactions with, and how we are being perceived as poor people and not good people. But there's actually no evidence to prove that is how things really are. I think there are good things about Africa. There are good things about us, but they don't get discussed or touched on enough, and so on and so forth. Things are going on. That is not the best situation. Best things to be talked about us, and so this song seeks to touch on all those things and let people know that is not the situation. That is not the story that has been told about us all the time. Yeah. So Dansefoɔ.